The water pump controller is super important in our daily lives. From factory production to agricultural irrigation, and even in home water things, we can't do without it to manage it. Today, we are going to take you deep into the basic principles of water pump controllers and how they can manage water pumps efficiently through smart stuff. The main way a water pump controller works is by using electrical signal to control when the water pump starts and stops. The controller decides if it's going to send electricity to the water pump based on outside signals. Unusually, when the controller gets a start signal, it makes the critical complete and the water pump starts working right away. When it gets a stop signal, the controller cuts the circuit and the water pump stops. This start and stop thing makes sure the water pump runs automatically at the right time, save people's effort, and stop water from being wasted. In the water pump controller, feedback from the sensors is really key. The controller gets real-time data from the sensors, like the water level and the pressure and stuff. And based on the feedback, it figures out the standards of the water pump. For instance, if the water level sensor notices that the water level in the tank is too low, the controller will send a start signal right away to make the water pump water until level gets to the set height. On the flip side, when the water level is too high, the controller will stop the water pump from running to avoid overflow. This controller gets based on data make managing the water pump more smart and accurate. These days, water pump controllers can also connect to the several sensors and adjust how the water pump runs to make it work as its best and avoid problems and waste of resources. All in all, water pump controllers control when the water pump starts and stops through sensors and make the management smart. It not only saves resources but also brings more efficient solutions on all kinds of situations. We'll create a quality life together with every user. That's for today's talk. If you have any other questions, feel free to keep leaving comments and asking questions in the comments. See you next time.